Hello, wonderful friends, and welcome to our geography class for today. And today in our geography class, our topic is North America. Now, before we go into what we have for today, I want to quickly refresh your memory on what we did last week. Last week, we talked about Africa, and I told you that Africa is the second largest continent in the world. I also told you that Africa has 54 countries. We talked about the highest mountain in the world, which is Mount Kilimanjaro, and we also talked about River Nile, which is the longest river in the whole world. So today we'll be talking about North America, and don't forget that North America is one of the 7 continents in the world. And our word for today says we are learning to say the features and identify countries in North America. And our success criteria says I can list the interesting facts about North America. So at the end of the lesson today, you'll be able to say some interesting facts about what North America. Now, the first one, North America is what the 3rd largest continent in the world. Now, when we do our continents, or when we have Asia, Africa, North and South America, so North America is the 3rd largest continent in the world, and North America is situated in the northern hemisphere and in the western hemisphere. Don't forget your 4 cardinal points, where we have the north, the south, the east and west. North America is usually split into 3 main subregions. We have 3 main subregions in North America. Now, these are not just the countries we have in North America. There are so many other countries, but it has 3 main subregions, which is what? The Canada, United States and Mexico. Now, apart from this country, there are so many other countries. Now, this is just a map of North America, though there are so many other countries, but this will give you the 3 main subregions, where we say the Mexico, United States, the Canada. Okay, and we have other countries. See this one, the Greenland, we have Caribbean, we have Central America, and we have so many other countries that you can find in North America. Now, here we have other countries like the Greenland, the Bahamas, the Jamaica, the Costa Rica. These are all countries found in Africa, in North America. Okay, now if you're looking at this, now from here you can identify the ones in the north, in the south, in the east and in the west. Don't forget your cardinal points, the 4 cardinal points in the map. And in the climatic condition of the North America, the North America is said to be the country that experiences all the kind of weather condition, the climatic condition. And don't forget climate, the condition of a place over a long period of time. And in North America, they experience the 4 seasons, which is what? The spring, summer, autumn and winter. So they experience all the seasons. Now, Greenland and much of Canada is cold and inhospitable. Now, to be inhospitable means that it's not very comfortable to live there. Why? Because of the weather condition is usually very cold. Now, the northern United States, including Alaska, also has very cold winters, while the southwest is warm and dry. So don't forget, they experience all the types of weather. It can be hot, it can be snow, it can be windy, there can be snow, there can be ice, so all the weather conditions. Now, in the geographical view of North America, it has very large mountain, gigantic means that it's very big, and they also have what? Desert. Don't forget that desert is a place of dryness, a place that is dry, where we have little or no vegetation. Why? Because of scarcity of rainfall, plant life hardly survive in desert. We have the frozen ice caps, we have hot regions, and it said that North America is the only continent to experience every kind of climate. I told you that before. They experience all kind of climate. Now, there are some tourist places you can find in North America. Now, tourist places are what? Famous places or beautiful places that you can visit for sightseeing. Now, we have many of them. I'm going to show you some pictures of what? Of the places. Now, look at this. We have what? The Niagara Falls. I have another one. I have the Disney World. I'm sure that some of you enjoy watching Disney World in your cartoon. So we have the Disney World in Florida, United States, and I have Washington DC in United States. So these are all what? Interesting places that you visit, tourist places that you visit for what? For enjoyment, for sightseeing, for refreshment, to enjoy, to relax, for recreation. And I have this. I have the Yellowstone National Park. I have the Statue of Liberty, Mount Rushmore, Rocky Mountains, the Teotihuacan, the Chichen Itza, Niagara Falls. I told you all this before. So take your time and go through the tourist places that you can find in North America. These are some beautiful places that you can find in North America. Now, in the countries in North America, Mexico is said to have what? The largest population, but is what? The poorest country in North America, while Canada has the smallest population. But United States is the wealthiest, to be rich, the richest country in North America, not just in North America, but in the whole world. So United States is what? The wealthiest country in North America. Now the next one, some animals you can find in North America. So take your time and explore these animals that you can find in North America. We have bear, we have bald eagle, the raccoon, the badger, we have fox, squirrel, wolf. They are all animals you can find in North America. Okay, that's all we'll be taking for today in North America. When we come next week, we are still going to be talking about North America. But before we go, don't forget that Mexico has the largest population in North America, but yet it is what? The poorest country in North America, while Canada has the smallest population and USA is the wealthiest country in North America and in the whole world. So till I come your way next time, don't forget to keep washing and sanitizing your hand, and please be safe. My name is Miss Onyema. Bye.